In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a quick A/B test. Make sure to log into Ptengine Experience, and to make an A/B test, you choose personalization in the top menu. In my case, I already prepared something for this campaign, but in your case, you can click Create New Campaign. Select the web page you want to make an A/B test on. In my case, it's our homepage. Ptengine will load the web editor, and as you can see here on the left side, you have some options for adding buttons, changing some copy, applying photos, or even making some HTML edits if you like. In my scenario, we want to test if a different CTA button will have a positive effect on our conversion rate. I will create a second variation here, and let's change the color of this button to orange. When closing the editor, you return to your campaign manager. Here you can save as a draft or set your A/B test immediately live. In the overview, you can get the report or even see a heat map on your experiment. And now it's time for you to create your first A/B test with Ptengine.